Chief Minister N. Biren appeals to scale down Yaosheng celebrations as preventive measures against COVID-19, though there is no confirmed case in Manipur yet. RIMS Director Professor A. Shanta says there is no single case of novel coronavirus at RIMS Hospital, urges public not to panic. RIMS gets new surgical intensive care unit equipped with 15 remote-controlled beds. RIMS Director assures more ICUs with a total 100 beds in near future. Chairperson of State Women Commission Dr. Mainam Binota encourages women folks to step out of unwanted social norms enslaving them. And the Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights demands termination of MSCW Chairperson Dr. M. Binota by March 8. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren appeals to people to take utmost precaution against novel coronavirus, although there is no confirmed case of COVID-19 in Manipur yet. He has expressed deep concern that one of the biggest festivals of Manipur, Yaosheng, which includes playing with colors, Thabal Chongba, sports events and public functions over a period of 5 days, involving large community gathering and people-to-people contact, is just around the corner. Stating that safety and health of people is of prime concern, he appeals to avoid such mass gatherings and reduce the scale of the celebration. The Chief Minister also reassured that the government has taken all the precautionary and preparatory measures to deal with any eventuality in the event of coronavirus outbreak reaching the state. RIMS Director Professor A. Shanta clarified that there is not a single case of novel coronavirus at RIMS Hospital. He appeals to people not to spread misleading information on social media, creating fear, psychosis. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, Professor A. Shanta said all arrangements are in place at RIMS to fight the deadly disease. He said the hospital has kept 4 isolation wards equipped with 8 beds. He also said that Chief Minister N. Biren has given approval for the construction of a new 20-bedded isolation wards to combat any epidemic. He added that a proposal for the same will be sent at the earliest. Professor A. Shanta clarified that one SME who was brought at RIMS on suspicion of coronavirus infection is not confirmed yet. He said the person's sample has been sent for testing and result is still awaited. The RIMS director added that the person's pulse, temperature and BP are all normal. He appeals to the public to take precautions against COVID-19 and assured of necessary measures by the hospital.
Hojiki confirm tawdri diagnose taw bonatri akoina investigation di tagre aduna akoi precaution di log dabe ade yam mi da yamna pakalan baso koi pamde aigino da confirm taw dabnina koi hojikti akoi bed ni pani lerise coronavirus ki aduga room na mari ni lerise adu simakna bo hayengwai tung da su sigumba outbreak ama tholok yabnina koina chief minister da hajegrise anoba isolation ward ama sasen bed kun gi ma naman yare aduna akoi proposal thadori mi ngai na ri hojiki yam thunja na batawni adudi
patient si well being yam pagale ma breakfast sa khrenga si adulana magi check to bada pulse completely normal ni 80 per minute temperature 98.6 bp 110 by t adaga magi sample do ngasi thagre courier laktra pure ada gel condition am phare ma si hayeng report la kan dati negative la de.
Coordinating body Kurai has urged the government to ban all forms of entertainment events, including Yaosheng Festival, if there is any confirmed case of coronavirus in Manipur. Speaking to media near Lamlong Bridge today, spokesperson of Kurai coordinating body M. Loya urged the public to take necessary precautionary measures during sports, entertainment activities, and Thabal Chongba events during Yaosheng celebrations. He appeals to Thabal Chongba event organizers to keep hand wash facility at Thabal Chongba event venues and to be careful while using microphones.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯁꯪ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯣꯟ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯔꯨ ꯇꯅꯥꯟꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯍꯥꯝꯇꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯒ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯇ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗꯅꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯍꯧ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯛꯊꯤ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯍꯧꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯥꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤꯅꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯥ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯄꯣꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯕ ꯊꯥꯕꯜ ꯆꯣꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯄꯣꯟꯗ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ 20 ꯍꯥꯝꯃ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯆꯪꯉ ꯊꯥꯕꯜ ꯆꯣꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯕꯜ ꯆꯣꯡꯂꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯕꯜꯗꯤ ꯆꯣꯡꯉꯒ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯞ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯛ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯣꯔꯣꯅꯥ ꯚꯥꯏꯔꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯦꯃꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯁꯥ ꯍꯥꯝꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯛ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯣꯔꯣꯅꯥ ꯚꯥꯏꯔꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯣꯟꯗ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯡꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯕ.
Meanwhile, Directorate of Information and Public Relations (DIPR) has cancelled its external press conducted tour to Mandalay and Bagan in Myanmar due to threat of coronavirus. DIPR has requested all applicants to collect their foreign passports and documents submitted earlier from DIPR office during office hour. RIMS Director Professor Ahantem Shanta inaugurated a 15-bedded surgical intensive care unit today. The beds in the unit are remote controlled and patients can get X-ray film on the bed itself with a portable X-ray machine. Speaking to media, RIMS Director A. Shanta said lack of adequate intensive care unit is one of the inconveniences facing patients in Manipur. He expressed a firm belief that the newly opened unit will benefit the public. Professor Shanta further assured that RIMS Trauma Department will be equipped with 26-bedded ICU soon. He also said efforts are on to complete the construction of RIMS Medicine Department and Cardiology Department at the earliest and to keep ICU facilities at the departments. The RIMS director said a RIMS hospital will have more intensive care units with total 100 beds in the near future. RIMS Medical Superintendent Professor A. Arun Kumar attended the inaugural event.
Surgical intensive care unit se anobo ina pura renovation tawraga anobo ina pura on thokpase modernize tawse am laiwa yam phabane aduna Manipur praja gi damakta yam kanaragani aksi bed tranga ne koina intensive care unit se akoi yam kwai gi demand roise Manipur se intensive care unit ki bed leite haibse ICU bed leite ICU bed leite adu sigi pura modernize ICU ma koina tawbungam base adina trauma da su another 16 plus 10 lairakini adigi medicine ICU su leina batawri adi cardiology cardiothoracic ICU bed
physical ICU sigi 100 mA portable X-ray amu lairabani aduna any time the patient chesum ilaroi se la
International Women's Day on a theme Generation Equality Realizing Women's Rights was celebrated at Kwaramban Imam Market today. Manipur Nursing Council along with community health officers, Health and Wellness Center Manipur and principals of all the nursing institutes of Manipur organized the event. Speaking at the event, Chairperson of State Women Commission Dr. Mainam Binota said it is high time to free women folks from the bondage of unwanted social norms. She said gender stereotypes should be shunned to attain gender equality. Mainam Binota said such efforts should begin right at home, especially by elders of a family, to support and uplift women. She stressed on the need to give proper education to women to make them self-reliant and to revamp the current education syllabus to bring gender equality.
Physical assault, emotional abuse equal right and the lack of equal right for the high therapy. Napoina put to Yadena, I was here, come and begin a camdo, table lay. Nupis Cindy, Yamla, can't perform the system craft, I could be society, the say, Masimasu, break up the Wudi Matamado, laughing. Social system, customary law, Sinamadam Oya, I could say. Mang something that Puro Tamba. Amadi Chakapina Kobo, socialistic Mama Pirakadra, ꯑꯐꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯛꯀꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯣꯛꯇꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯛꯀꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Taking part in the event, Bishnupur SP Priyadarshini Laishram said men and women have equal responsibilities in the development of a society. Stressing on the significance of women in the society, she lamented over the existing gender discrimination at childbirth. She also called upon everyone to eliminate gender stereotypes to bring equality between men and women. Kakching SP Yengkhom Victoria and Imphal West Traffic Police SP Khoshnam Sarma were among those present at the event.
The various stereotypes, prejudices, social constructs, cultural constructs, over time, chahilisang sitna, chatnabi magi moongda, society sida dong kay haini, moong amada lakpa system do, adu gidu break toba. Stereotypes mayam do break tauba, prejudices mayam do adu thugairaga adu break tauraga, realization amala akanda chap chana on ground aikogi phangbam topa rights phangmaduneba.
On the other hand, a Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights today demanded termination of Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, MSCW, Dr. M. Binota, from her post within March 8. Speaking to media at the Forum office in Palace Compound today, convener of Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights, Kakching District Women Wing, Olivia Tingnam, alleged Binota of abusing her powers and neglecting welfare activities for the women's section. She claimed that Binota and OC in charge of Sekmai Police Station, Kiran, had barged into Minister Biswajit's ex-wife Rebecca's residence at Ghariawang Laikai in Imphal West and forced her into signing a divorce agreement. Olivia Tingnam said International Women's Day celebration on March 8 will be meaningless if Dr. M. Binota is not ousted. She said a memorandum demanding termination of M. Binota from her post was submitted to Chief Minister N. Biren, Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah and Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgand on December 3 last year. She warned that the forum, along with civil society organizations and the public, will erupt into agitations if the authority concerned fails to hit their demand within the deadline.
M. Bimota asi chairperson oibada matik sadare lokthok pikro amadi yamna competent oiba ama oina hapiyu haijaba asi tabidriba asi nupi singi yaifanaba khanba nate haibasi mayek sengna ujaba phangne hairiba commissions asigi chairperson asi state na athubada sindokpiduna awa ana taraba nupi singbu kanbibada mateng pangbiyu haiduna amukasu laingaki wakhal singsinjari karigumba laingangna ngamloi haiduna laithok Pirabadi ngasi awaba taraba nupi khunai singi mahut sinjaduna Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights amadi aikhoiga punna chatminariba CSO NGO activist amadi student organization mayam punsinduna makhal kayagi non-violent amadi democratic oiba khongjanggi damak sem saba loijare.
Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgand has extended heartiest greetings to all the women of the state on the occasion of International Women's Day. The minister in her greeting said the day celebrates women, highlights their achievements and pushes for gender equity and equality. She urged the women to step forward towards empowering each other so as to empower the state and the nation as a whole. Corcom, a conglomerate of various proscribed outfits, in a press release has also extended heartiest greetings to women folks of Manipur on the occasion of International Women's Day. Corcom appreciates women for their significant contributions in various fields. It claimed that with the forceful annexation of Manipur by the discriminatory Indian government, women in the state have become vulnerable to various atrocities. Now with that, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on students of DM College of Teachers Education protesting the recent scrapping of B.Ed course from the college. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Students of DM College of Teachers Education today carried out a protest demonstration against scrapping of B.Ed course from the college by National Council for Teacher Education, NCTE. Trainees Union of the college staged a sit-in at the college gate in Thamwiban. Speaking to media, Union General Secretary K. Buddhadev blamed the government for failing to take necessary measures, which led to scrapping of B.Ed course from DM College of Teachers Education, which is the lone government B.Ed training college of Manipur. He appeals to the authorities concerned to take necessary measures to save the career of teacher trainees of the college. He also appeals to appoint required teaching and non-teaching staffs and to enhance the infrastructure of the college to fulfill the criteria of NCTE.
सरकार थबक तौगनी हारगा उन्थोक्तब मैम लई अथुब मतमदा थबक उन्थोनिंगे अदुगा लोइना लोइना हुजिक लैरिबा अखोइगी फैकल्टीज गेस्ट फैकल्टीज खरचु लई अदगी रेगुलर फैकल्टीज सु लई अदुगा लौथोखिबई मरमदि अनंबा अखोइगी रेगुलर फैकल्टी ओइदबगिनी याम मसिंग यामदबगिनी अदुना अखोइना हाइजनिंगबदि हाना लैरिबा गेस्ट फैकल्टी सिंगजे रेगुलराइज तौबिरगा अवाटपदुसु अमु कोकबिरगा कॉलेज असिबु हिंगतबदा मतेंग पांगबियु सरकारनसु थबकद थुनो उन्थोक्पि
Teachers under All Manipur Elementary School Teachers Association Zone 4 Bishnupur carried out a relay hunger strike under the banner of Council of Teachers Association today, demanding rectification of ROP 2019. The protest was carried out in front of ZEO Zone 4 office at a new mini secretariat complex, Block A in the district. Speaking to media, Kota convener Jugindro condemns that teachers' salary were decreased by 22.7%, while MLA's salary and allowances were increased by 142.71% overnight after the recent state budget session.
Hanana 1.3 lakhs pangamba honorable MLA singi lakh ani mukai phangiba simak kai lebak sigi yamna achobu khongthang amani adana masina takpadi lebak si nahang sen thonggi phum phatte haibado sauna phagatba leire haibado aigi maikedi gi thamjari sen thonggi phum phagalabani kota na sangjari bu khongjang ase athuba matamda mai pagani haibagi thajabadu su leijari.
Discontent employees of Salai Holdings Private Limited held a protest meet today demanding the state government to lift its ban imposed on the company. The sit-in was staged in front of the company's head office in Tera Lokrakpam Lekai. Protesters held various placards urging the government not to snatch away their livelihood. Protesting employees said more than 1,000 employees are suffering as they have not received a salary for 4 months since the government has frozen the company.
Honorable CM Laibaki Awana Ubayadaba at a Hoji Powder, Chief Minister or a pushing in Manunda, quite a give Chief Minister near Haidana, Meam Nanganga Duna Ladiba, Aquina Chukanjariba, colleague Minister Singh, Loinana Opposition, MLA Singa, Salagi employee Singa, a built of the Ningbadi, Hojiki, Akoyi. Employee singki awana kham thenge maram maduna akhoi salai gi employee singi damakta ubiraga akhoi gi salai gi mathakta athingba thamdana lairibasi lokthok piraga salai gi employee singsibu hanagi matawgumna salai da amuhana thabak tawraga hingjege
koi bo hojik kadai da muk chatlaga kadagi karamba mafamda employmentship kadai da thirugada ge akhoi sibo Age is also one factor. Sigi mathakta kadai kadai da koi buthabuk pibiu na hairu bagi mafam jo leite state sigi oina percentage khara do oira su organization salai haibasina employmentship create tau bangami ba organization amani salai da athing ba apan ba leiri base athu matam da lokthok pi.
An IED exploded near Zaizang Dam under Yangangpokpi police station on Imphal Ukrul Road today at around 10 a.m. Sources said there is no casualty. Assam Rifles team and Imphal East SP have inspected the site. It may be mentioned that an IED exploded 30 meters away from the same place 1 month ago. Two-day national-level workshop on generation equality and women's rights kicked off at SK Women's College in Nambol today. Women's Studies Center of the college organized a workshop sponsored by Union Grant Commission, UGC. Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, Dr. M. Binota, graced the event. Assistant Director of Human Rights and Law Network, T.H. Premlata, spoke on fate of childless women and mother of lone daughters, legal remedies during the technical session of the workshop. Other resource persons read out 7 papers, including the topic Gender Roles, Private and Public Divide, Socio-Economic Development and Gender inequality in northeast India.
Nipiga nibaga thong manarabadi samaja asi sakoppa porokpa ngamgani adu natragadi koi samaja si sakoppa porokpa ngamoy hojiki matamda akoi nupi sing gi crime se noma noma gi hengalai masi nipaga nupiga thok se manaragadi pising sar nupi sing lai lai su yamna haibegi changse wanglabanina jiti oiba wakhan khanba ngamdabadegi problem mayam ama lakpasu ya phaba samaja ma su porokpa ngamgani.
Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium Imphal along with James Connection Trust Churachandpur held a training program on scope for mobilizing locally available aromatic plants for generating income at Angels Place, Bungmol Lydia Hall in Churachandpur district today. Project coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium MS Khaidam, Agriculture Director Laltan Pue Vachong IAS, District Agriculture Officer Churachandpur M. Ginzalian and NISIT Managing Director Lian Zalal attended the event.
Locally available aromatic plants, haibadi lamdam seida maman yamna tangba manam nungsiba aikoina di ignore toba khangdaba pabi mayam amali samna hairabada agar amasung tejpata cinnamon haiba sing asi yam aromatic plant convert tawra pisa tangba yaba sida su natana yamna laina yum khuting da hoba cultivate tawra su yaba sanare si su aikoina sam jamna religious ki karigi decoration gi hoina khanduna lei toimusu masidagi essential oil si lokthu oga yuma matamda income yamna phangba ngami.
3-day Vandhan Vikas Kendra on Advocacy cum Training Program organized by Divisional Forest Officer Zirbam Forest Division concluded today. Speaking at the event held at Community Center Babupara in Zirbam, SPM Mubi appeals to people to maintain cleanliness while preparing pickles, fruit juice and others. 20,000 rupees check and other items were distributed to self-help groups who attended the training. Zirbam MLA Ashabuddin, Divisional Forest Officer Zirbam Forest Division E. Home, MFS, SDO S. Indrajit and DMO E. Okendro attended the event.
Masi miyoy amada chaba matamda masi hakchang adura sokdaba naira putokdaba asigulaba wakal se masi ahamda pandam moigeda toiba haimi se masi raw material se krai dor pro tarmaga pukun kujalaga kaga madura kari yori patba kari yori ya se ai ki michin ugo bondaba.
Citizen Club of Soibam Leka in Imphal East held its annual Inter-Pana Cleanliness and Beautification Competition today. Wangkai MLA O. Henry sponsored the competition as part of Yaosheng Sports Festival. Areas under the club like Thangjing, Marjing, Wangbrel and Kaubru were divided into 12 categories for the competition. They collected plastic waste and competed with each other in cleanliness. Speaking to media, MLA O. Henry assured that blacktopping of roads in areas under Citizen Club, including the road leading to Jenims, will be completed latest by March 9. TT Foods in Thamaiban Lorongpure Lekai launched its black rice tea today. TT Foods, along with CSIR, Northeast Institute of Science and Technology NEIST, organized the launching event at CSIR NEIST complex in Lamphel. Speaking on the occasion, Thangmaiban MLA KH Joy Kishan encouraged people to take up enterprises instead of depending only on government jobs. Speaking on the sidelines, TT Foods proprietor P. Suresh said the company's black rice tea is different from black rice tea produced by other companies. He said his company will strive to produce more items to make Manipur self-reliant. Senior Principal Scientist of CSIR NEIST Dr. H. Bir Kumar and Manager of UBI Imphal Branch H. Suraj Maitai also attended the event.
Akhoi Manipur am le akhoi Maitai gi pawai de lam gi sanna machi sangai tar mapan gi naga de phawoi ning Manipur gi nai ti Manipur sabu ki amna tai charam doinu haibo adu yamna aran ba conception si Manipur gi de apa apa le Manipur da lai ba vegetable khangde cheng de khangde vitamin value se loi hen banga tane mase ko loi khangna banga tane se adana akhoi gi isa gi lamjin thoiba poching se encourage taruga khoi marketing se phajana tawna phona ba si oi targa de akhoi gi ngasa gi thabo phangriba naharon mai am lei sing si sida loi encourage taruga de
Tapasya, a performing arts center, held its 19th Foundation Day celebration today. The event was held at Singjamai Wangma Pebia Pandit Lekai in Imphal East. Speaking on the occasion, Padma Shri Awadi S. Thanil asserted that although the state is famous worldwide for its unique art and culture, the state government has failed to initiate any welfare activities for the artists. The center performed their newly produced Diva Ras at the event. Various cultural items like Maibi dance, folk song, Tanum Hari Ridha, Krishna Bandana and Pung Cholam was also showcased on the occasion. Ras Guruhan of JN Manipur Dance Academy K. Kumar and Sastri T. Amusana attended the event.
Drama oro, theater oro, jagoi oro, hangritol oro, masida asiki matik akoi lanai tugdum natuna akoi upaida naitu muina ma amadi phagal kadware masi school sahi amagi tha amagi paisa chuk pilji ma singute hingna yade je sarkar gi magi asa leiti haiba masi akoi lehiningi makoina khangam da basi ai manipuri gi art form ji mangsil par hui moidi lawbudi punglaw lawe art form na manipur gi sakta imne dana ado art form gi toriba mi sing sida kari artist sing da kari sogalge badudi akoi haibum kangde masi government khara mating pangatana lanai tawriba mong silaiba asi pukhaltuna lanai semgat trabodi masi nong sum silra manipuri art form je soning mutkin de chapchana thajaba leyaba thamoida.
24th Manipur University Festival 2020, organized by Manipur University Students Union MUSU since March 3, concluded today. Competition on various events like sports, traditional dance, songs and library events, literary events like quiz competition highlighted the festival. 41 departments of the university took part in the festival. Winners of various competitions were felicitated at the valedictory event.
अखोई छात्र सिंगी मरक्तगी यामना टैलेंटेड ओबा स्पोर्ट्स दा कल्चर दा करिदा अखोई डांस की म्यूजिक की तोंगा तोंगा बा आइटम याम यामख्रे लेरि मयाम सिदा अखोइना खंगलबा छात्र सिंगसिना हयेंग यूथ फेस्टिवल दसु मोइना फजना पार्टिसिपेट तौरगा अखोई इंटर कॉलेज यूथ फेस्टिवल दा अखोई पीजी क्लासेस की वना मोइ थोकनी अदुई मतुंग दा अखोइना अखोई यूनिवर्सिटीज की यूथ फेस्टिवल सिंग जोनल लेवल दा ऑर्गेनाइज तौबा अदुगा इंटरनेशनल लेवल दा ऑर्गेनाइज नेशनल लेवल दा अदुगा इवन इंटरनेशनल लेवल दा ऑर्गेनाइज मोई पार्टिसिपेट तौदोइनी
मसी यूनिवर्सिटी सिदा तमिनरिबा अखोई महिरोइ सिंग अदगी स्टाफ सिंग ओजा सिंग सिसिंग जिकी मरक्ता अखोई अमगा मगा लैबा थाजनबा अमदी सखंग माइखंगनबा अमदी नाट की ओबा अमदी साना खोनबगी सिगुम्बा प्रोग्राम मयाम असे हेनमुक चौखट हनबगी पांदमदा अखोई मुसुन ngasi प्रोग्राम असे
Bishnupur DC Nitarambam distributed water, pump sets and sprinkle drip irrigation systems to 10 beneficiaries of Bishnupur district for the last phase of Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sanchayi Yojana PMKSY 2019-20 today. An awareness cum training program on minor irrigation was also held on the occasion. District Horticulture and Soil Conservation Bishnupur organized the event under Horticulture and Soil Conservation Manipur. Ningol Club Hairog kicked off two-day disaster management training program at its temporary office today. More than 70 women took part in the program sponsored by Department of Relief and Disaster Management, Government of Manipur. Manipur People's Party, MPP, and Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham, in separate press releases, extended Yaosheng greetings to people of the state. Mayang Imphal MLA cum Deputy Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Khongkham Robindro opens their newly repaired N. Tomcho Higher Secondary School ground at Mayang Imphal Thana Awang Lekai today. The school playground was repaired under MLA Local Area Development Fund with additional assistance from the public. SDPO of Mayang Imphal Police Station A.K. Shantikumar, Officer in Charge Oinam Joy Mangol, President of Social Environment Development Organization SIDO Chirom Thoy, Chairperson and Vice Chairperson of Mayang Imphal Municipal Council attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Robindro said the playground was renovated with public support. He said a children's park and a walking path for senior citizens have also been constructed on the playground. He expressed disappointment that some people try to create controversy over the playground renovation by circulating misleading information on social media. MLA Robindro also kicked off SIDO 9A side day and night inter-constituency football tournament on the occasion. SIDO Mayang Imphal beat NCP Chabung Company 1-0 in the first match of the tournament today. Altogether, 15 teams are competing in the tournament.
Ground se matamda haiba matamda wana tawi khotlena si local area development fund gi khaga lokho semjabani program ama yawnate laikai gi halaman singna engineer tanar matungda kasu hapodu mahutta akhoi gi wagi khoi engineer da present tar proper tanaraga wa hapana khar kangani haibdagi wa hapchagi ne habse matang matam cha matam sengdokchage naina zum thamjabani Facebook tadi wai chai gare wa happy karamba program da hapano khopano na masi sengna jiraga di laikai pullaga local area development fund gi khar lokho ga laikai gi ngam ngam khar mating pang puduna ground se sem da bi ade haibdagi semjagi ne habse si mai sengdokchage
dai kuntra matakda mafam kana gum yin mi han yin mi akoi part oina ma nga pham mo ne pham jaga am ne adu MLA akoi Manipur gi deputy speaker ma na akoi ward putting no pham se athu mo sembi na ngasi akoi uri ba ngasi ki phil si asi akoi na aso mangla la bani akoi lawu yam si kai na akoi manglu o pot ma ngasi akoi da taibang da mang phang na bane na i wakal thamjai masimuna ngasi akoi deputy speaker zo lamdam sida mai pak na matam khudi ma leiba ki seba tawu isno.
Trau FC will play against Indian Arrows in their home match of the ongoing Hero I-League at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium tomorrow at 5 p.m. Speaking to media at the stadium today, Trau FC head coach L. Nandakumar assured that his team will give all-out efforts to score full points in the match. He said tomorrow's home match is a crucial one. L. Nandakumar said as Trau FC's new striker Pitro, defender Dinesh Chandra, midfielder Falguni and Premjit are all ill, the match will not be an easy one for Trau FC. He said the remaining players are in good shape and they will perform their best.
Tomorrow we are playing against a very energetic and young team. They are very good side. It will be very tough for us also, but from our side it is a very important juncture right now. So in maximum we are playing attacking game and try to get more goals by the blessing of our football lovers of Manipur fans. Trau football lovers. These Indian Arrows, they have been with foreign coaches for the last so many years, and they are well combined, their mobility is good, they are well balanced, except they don't have foreign players. I can say this is a very good team.
Speaking to media, Indian Arrows head coach Venkatesh also said tomorrow's match will not be an easy one. He said it is challenging to play against home team in northeast states. Venkatesh said different environment and huge supports for home team put lots of pressure on the away team. Head coach Venkatesh hoped for a positive outcome as famed Manipuri defender Hormipam and midfielder Gibson are on his team.
Why? Because of environment and the field, the city, the situation, everything is changed. Means we'll get different than Calcutta. Wherever we go, Calcutta in any way, it's northeast. It's always a tough teams. Not only Trau, all the northeast team, it's very tough. So tomorrow again, it's not a very easy game for us. And yes, our boys are very the positive mindset. They know how important is this game. Yes, they will play good and will get point. So we done something different for tomorrow's game. The tactics and tactical. Yes, we'll see how it's going to work.
Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren appeals to scale down Yaosheng celebrations as preventive measures against COVID-19, though there is no confirmed case in Manipur yet. RIMS Director Professor A. Shanta says there is no single case of novel coronavirus at RIMS Hospital, urges public not to panic. RIMS gets new surgical intensive care unit equipped with 15 remote-controlled beds. RIMS director assures more ICUs with total 100 beds in near future. Chairperson of State Women Commission Dr. Mainam Binota encourages women folks to step out of unwanted social norms enslaving them. And a Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights demands termination of MSCW Chairperson Dr. M. Binota by March 8.